Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at the beautiful Herbs and Plants Lenormand deck. It comes in this beautiful sturdy box. Artwork on the front cover. The back of the box, we have information in multiple languages and some images from the cards. We get a guidebook. It looks as if it gives us information about the Lenormand system and then information in relation to plants and herbs. I can see straight away they've also renamed some of the cards. So card 1 is usually called Rider, however they renamed it Knight. So information about the knight and the information about the plant or the herb. And then number 2 is called Four-Leaf Clover as opposed to Clover. Number 3, they've called it Boat as opposed to Ship, and it's Willow. And then for the house is normal. The house is Vine. Tree, they've got Oak, and information about the Celts and the Druids, which I think is really good. And then the clouds is Birch. Ivy for the snake. So it looks as if we get 1 page of information per card. So information about the card and then the plant or the herb. Let's take a look at the backs of the cards, guys. Look at those, beautiful. Before we look at the deck, let's do a quick size comparison. So we've got a Rider-Waite-Smith tarot card here, and then this deck is slightly taller and thicker. So it looks as if we get a card number and an image. There's our four-leaf clover, a beautiful rainbow. I can see why they've called it boat as opposed to ship. That makes sense. As you can see, guys, we've got the snake and you've got the ivy. I think number 10 is called sickle. You can definitely feel that druid element coming through this deck. There's our fox. I've got a beautiful sunflower for the sun card, number 31. Interesting with the key, usually you see the key by itself. It's quite rare to see the key in a key lock. So I wonder what it's opening or what it's closing. Beautiful. Let's see how well they shuffle, guys. Oh, beautiful, guys. No problems at all. Interesting, we've got 3 cards here, guys. Card 16, the stars, 9, bouquet or flowers, and 15, the bear. How would you read these cards individually? How would you read them in pairs? So 1 and 2, 2 and 3, or how would you read them as a triplet? I look forward to your response in the link below.